My wood lathe is out of commission and I'd like to put it back into commission. It's just one of those things that's something that I did a very long time ago in a way that wasn't done quite properly. Let go. And I need to repair it so that I can use my lathe again. So stick around. I'll show you how I'm going to make my motor mount commissioned again. Well, this is my incredibly old wood lathe that my parents gave to me when I was a young teenager. And this is the system I've used for who only knows how long, for suspending the motor and using its weight to tension the belt. What's happened here is, without being used, I was over on the other side of the shop when it let go. That piece of wood finally broke. And I would guess that this shelf that I built has to be every bit of 30 years old, probably longer than that. But if you can see the grain running this way, it's a wonder that it didn't break previous to this. So I guess I'll put my wood lathe back into service. Well, I need to get the screw out of the way that's underneath this box. Now, I think I'll glue that back together again. So I put a deep countersink in here, probably halfway through there, and then through holes so that I can use what are these 10 by 1 1/4 screws to anchor that down. I think that should be okay to keep that in place. Yeah, that's good and solidly in place. So I have a bolt hole here that I have to line up, and it looks like I hit that one dead center. And then that one lines up with a hole, and that lines up with a hole. Let's see how that works. Doesn't feel like it hit. Nope. Wrong bit. Well, doesn't that just make all the sense in the world? Yep, put it on backwards. Well, we'll fast forward into putting that in the right place. Strange how much better that works. Okay, there's slow speed. And there's my highest speed, so that's sitting just nice. I'd say that works great. Well, there it was. It was a pretty straightforward project. Didn't take very long. I was just replacing one part, and I managed to screw up a bit of it. It could be an easy project. Doesn't mean it's going to be completely free of problems. But I'm glad to have my old wood lathe back in, and it's a very nice thing to have, and I've got a project coming up that I think I'm going to have to use it. So thanks very much for watching. I'm Tom Stevens. Come on back. I'm going to have something else again sometime.